I guess you remember the desk that I made, or I showed you on the office tour. This is made up of different leftover materials, and the legs at that time were raw wood, and I've painted them white now, and it has the pink marble contact paper on it that matches my bedroom because my computer was in my bedroom at that time. I'm going to take this black marble contact paper that I got, and I'm going to put this down. This here, I like this particular type of contact paper because it's got a higher sheen and a really pretty gloss texture to it, and it's very durable. And pay a little bit more for it than your standard contact paper, but it has a better surface, and it's easier to work with for me. Anyway, so I'm going to put this on here. Also, around the edges, I'm going to put some, I had this leftover, it's like a velvet, black velvet material. I think I want to put that around the edges, and yeah, I think it'll soften that up. Either that or some bling. I haven't really made up my mind yet how I'm going to handle that, but I hope y'all stay around and watch how this all unfolds. Y'all have a good day. Okay, so what I'm doing is I have this black velvet contact paper that's sticky that you peel off on the back, and I measured the edge of the desk, and it's 3/4 of an inch. So I went and I made these lines, and now I am going to I'm tracing them out on the back so that I can cut them out in strips. That's my plan. I've already made a few of them already. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I want it as close as possible so that I have as little, whoops, now I wrote on my new desk. Well, the lucky thing about this slick contact paper, it comes off really easy. When you spills, it just wipes right on off. It's really great. So, there. It's a little chilly this morning. It's a perfect opportunity to do this. It's quiet. Yeah. And I'm not sure exactly how many I'm going to need, but I wanted to make sure I have enough. I have more contact paper out of the black velvet if I need it. Make sure I line. Okay, I think that's the last one, right? Okay, and then I'm gonna get my scissors. Ha! Trusty scissors. And then we're just gonna cut. So this paper doesn't cut as easy as the contact paper because it the fabric on the other side, it's still really nice to work with. And before I get any further, I'm going to make sure this works. I'll peel it off. So it just peels right. There it is. Let's get started. Throw that in the garbage. Okay, and I want to start on the end, kind of come around the corner. It's actually got some stretch to it too, so you can maneuver it. Oh yeah, that's gonna look nice. I don't want to pull it too tight because it starts changing the shape of the fabric, because it starts staying that direction. Yeah, these are just the right amount of length to work with too. It went on there really easy. So let me show you what it did. So see there, it's nice and smooth, good little sheen. It sticks really nice. So I am going to continue this up, and I will be back with you. Okay, so here we sit with the finished project. Move things around a little bit, but I think it looks really nice. It's come out really cute. It's holding my tablet for the moment, but I think it looks great. Tell me what you think.